Hi, in this video I'll show you how to connect a wireless mouse to a laptop, alright? Or a desktop. As you can see here, I have my Razer wireless mouse right here. Now, to be able to use it on my laptop or desktop, we need the dongle for this. Alright, for example, this is the dongle for the mouse itself. So this is basically plug and play. When you plug it in your laptop, it will just automatically work. Now, some other mouse do require a Bluetooth connection, and some other laptops, maybe 10% of the laptops doesn't have a Bluetooth. So what we're gonna do is just use a dongle, right? I'm gonna show you what a dongle look like. It looks like this, all right? It's like a flash drive, all right? So what we're gonna do is connect this one. As you can see, it is Bluetooth. All right, just gonna hide the brand. What we're gonna do is just connect this one. I'm gonna show you. All right, the dongle has been connected. Now, as you can see here, we now have the Bluetooth icon. So what we're gonna do is just click on it. Now, get to add a Bluetooth device. Now in here, just click on add a device. All right, I don't know if you can see it. Just click on add a device right here. Click on it. Now add in some Bluetooth. All right. Now, when you turn on your Bluetooth mice, you should be able to see it right here. All right. Just go ahead and use your trackpad and click on that particular mouse. Once done, you should be able to use your mouse freely. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.